If you're anything like me, as soon as the weather starts to cool down, you're ready to head to the Poconos for a quick autumn trip. It's the perfect fall destination, packed with so much to do, see, taste, and experience. And the best way to see it is on Route 6. We're here in Honesdale to meet our tour guide for the day, Deanna from Pocono Television Network.
Ready for a girls trip?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Deanna, you've planned such a fun day for us. So many stops along Route 6. You said there's a little bit of everything.
Yes.
Something for everyone. There's outdoors, indoors, nature, shopping.
Yes. And it's perfect because there's so many things to do every season.
Running through towns like Honesdale and Hawley, the road offers you so much to do along the way. Our first stop is Dorflinger Factory Museum.
The museum is located in the two remaining factory buildings from the Dorflinger glass factory that produced some of the finest cut glass tableware in America in the 19th and early 20th centuries. So this building was the cutting shop, built in 1883. This is the building where the glass was cut. Visitors will be able to see an extensive collection of Dorflinger glass. The museum also gives people a good snapshot into the way life was in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. So much of history is getting lost today, and we think it's important to preserve some of this past and to be able to share with our visitors exactly what took place in these buildings and in these areas as a way to understand our past and our history.
Such a hidden gem, Dorflinger Factory Museum is the perfect first stop on our road trip. Next up, let's stretch our legs and take in one of the best views on Route 6. The Irving Cliff Trail is located right in historic Honesdale. A popular spot for locals and tourists alike, the peak offers views of the Lackawaxen River. A trail has been created along the river with boat launches that will connect Honesdale with White Mills and Hawley. Okay, Deanna, what's next?
Well, you can't go home without a little gift from our trip, so let's head back into town and go to a fun little shop that you have to check out.
Oh, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Gather, located only minutes from the trailhead, is such a cool little spot. Fun, quirky gifts, women's clothing, toys for kids, and so much more. And with so many other awesome small businesses in Honesdale, you can spend the afternoon window shopping. I'm taking something home to remember this awesome trip. But after such an amazing day, I'm not ready to head home yet. We're staying at a boutique hotel with a view to remember. Let's go. Located in Hawley, the Ledges is a historic hotel with a modern and industrial feel. It's the perfect place to call home base on your Poconos excursion.
When guests come to Ledges, what they feel is relaxed. We find people come here and make friends, or they find their solace. They, get the sound of the falls going and, have a cocktail from the bar and really just relax, unwind. You can feel the weight of the everyday lifted. If you want to stay on property and dine, explore our grounds, enjoy the beautiful sights, you can do that. Or it's easily accessible along Route 6 to a lot of the other great local towns like Milford, like Honesdale, Hawley. I mean, there's a lot of great things to see in the Pocono Mountains, and Ledge is a great place to stay to do that.
A huge thank you to Deanna for being my guide on this awesome trip along Route 6 in the Poconos. From start to finish, there was so much to see and do, and I cannot wait to come back. Start planning your getaway now at PoconoMountains.com and watch the Pocono Television Network anytime, anywhere for insider tips for your visit.